Nation watches with concern as cases of GBS continue to surge in the state. In fact, in the latest development, the State Health Department has confirmed that the total number of cases has risen to 173. Tragically, 6 lives have been lost due to the outbreak as well, with Pune, remember, continuing to remain as the hotspot. All right, I'm given to understand Rucha Kanolkar, my colleague, joins me for more. Rucha, very good morning to you. This is, of course, clearly a case of a concern. Also, given the fact that, while you have different departments from Maharashtra's health department as well as the state reviewing this, there seems to only be a surge. What is the loophole in the way that the outbreak has happened? Because Pune also continues to still remain the hotbed.
Well, it's been over 20 days since the GBS's first case, first patient and the death was reported from. And the Pune government, the district administration, Pune Municipal Corporation and Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation is together finding out the cause of the GBS outbreak, and they have still not managed to control the situation. The patients are rising day by day, and the outbreak is spreading fear among people, especially those in Pune rural area, because the source of GBS was said to be a well where contaminated water was present. People are fearing drinking that water now, and not just water, but even the street food is now being inspected by the FDA, as one of the deaths of GBS was reported from consuming street food where contaminated water was used in it. Now the death toll has been gone up to 6. On Wednesday, a 6th death of Maharashtra in GBS was reported from Pune's Karve Nagar. This is the 6th in Maharashtra and 5th only in Pune. Now Pune has become a hotspot for this because the well was present at Nanded village of Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune area. And the patients, number of GBS patients have gone up to 173, out of which the 173 are suspected and 140 are confirmed GBS cases. Now the government is making sure that the contaminated water does not will be supplied at the houses, and it was found that more than 140 locations were taken in consideration, and tests were done, inspection of water was done, out of which 28 locations were such that they had contaminated water present in houses, in the water supply coming from the Pune Municipal Corporation, and these locations are now being controlled by the Pune Municipal Corporation as well as the PCMC. Now it was found that more than 20 locations were such where in water there was no level of chlorine found in it. Chlorine, which is supposed to be in water, is now being added to the water by the municipal government. Now the PCMC and PMC is trying to make sure that the door-to-door surveys take place, and the water supply is now being inspected. Along with this, FDA is also involved in this inspection, because one of the deaths, like I said, was because of a street food consumption where contaminated water was used. Now the Pune Municipal Corporation is taking measures, and not just on municipal level, but state health ministry as well as the union ministry has formed 2 teams which are separately investigating what is the cause of GBS, and what measures can be taken to avoid the future reported cases in GB syndrome.
Right, Rucha. Thank you very much for not only getting us the latest about how this is concerning, but also overall drawing perspective as to what has been found out so far, linking these particular cases.